Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows 10 black screen of that error with constant solution. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. First you need to press and hold Ctrl Alt plus Delete. Now you see this option Task Manager, click on it. Now click on File. Now run new task, click on it. Now type here Registry Editor. Now select this, check this box and click on OK. Now expand H key locks, this option, expand it. Now expand software. Now expand Microsoft. Now expand Windows NT and click on this virus, expand it. Now click on it. Now you need to find cell. You see this is cell, click on it. Double tap on it. Now you need to type this expro this line and click on OK. Now close all windows and restart your PC. After restart you need to again press Ctrl Alt plus Delete key. How to restart? First Ctrl Alt plus Delete key and you see this click on this power icon and restart. You see this restart option, restart it. So this is very easy and simple method. After restart your all problem will be fixed. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.